Welcome to my new place. Okay, so we're gonna give you an empty apartment tour. It's not fully done, but I'm moving tomorrow, so we have to do it now. Okay, so this is the front door, and then to your left is the den, which it's kind of a joke. Like, this is not a den. This is like a closet. So I turned it into a closet. This, if you remember, was the like front hall closet. I just ripped out the bulkhead and I put all my Ikea closets in here. So I have lots of room for clothes. And the doors are coming later today, but they're all gonna be mirrored, which I think is gonna be very cool. Good outfit photo opportunity and lots of storage for all my shit. And then to the right of the door is like the infamous bathroom that I turned into a little Paris nook. Come on in. Okay, so again, everything's like kind of half done. But what I did in here is I lime washed, well, I added wainscoting. I lime washed the walls. And then the floors are like just the most beautiful thing in the whole world. Everyone was asking what tile this is. It's not tile, it's marble cut into diamonds, which is more expensive, but you do get like such a beautiful look that is just like stunning. And we went with green and white instead of black and white. For here, this I got off Wayfair, and it's just like a sink, I don't know, it'll be linked down below, but you know, sink area, very cute, very Parisian. I put a niche into the wall so I can put like hand soap and stuff here and we don't clutter the countertop. I got this light from LT or LT Market, I can't really remember. And then mirror is coming soon. You'll have to see that in the final apartment tour. New toilet, very nice, little Parisian nook. So the main part of the house, the kitchen, isn't done, but you can see the, what are these called? The cabinets. If you watched, you know, my previous vlogs and stuff, I kind of walked you through the process of why I did this color, but it's like a gray, baby blue sort of situation with a textured front. And the countertop is just has been the bane of my existence. It's the most expensive purchase you make when renovating. It's crazy. But it's coming soon, and it's gonna be marble countertop into marble backsplash into one shelf. So it's gonna be open shelving up here, which is gonna be so beautiful. And then appliances, I don't know, COVID. And then if you remember, under the stairs was completely open. It was kind of just like a waste of space. So I turned it into a pantry. Well, I didn't, my contractor did, and he did it with literally like, I got quoted so much money by cabinet makers for this, and he just did it with like drywall and MDF and saved me a lot of money, and I love my contractors. So you push it in, which I might put handles on it because my hand's, you know, dirty. And beautiful pantry. I'll put some lights in there. You can put, I don't know, like all your stuff in there. And then we go to the main room where nothing really changed in here yet. Stuff will be done, but not right now. The main room and the floors. The floors on this floor were one of my biggest purchases. They were the biggest investment, and I don't regret it at all. It's like the most beautiful flooring I've ever seen. It is real wood, and I got it custom made for a skinny plank herringbone. And I love them. It took so long, it took like 3 months. Worth it. Say hi to Sasha. Hi, Ron. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. Painted the stairs white. Main bedroom, nothing has really changed. The floors, I did a vinyl up here, and I will let you know why I did a vinyl up here when we get to the bathroom, but everything's the same. The curtains will be changed, so that's disgusting. Okay, bathroom. I have no idea how to use everything. My pride and joy. This stone I found in the garbage. It was sitting in a Marble Place's like backyard. It had been there for maybe like 20 or 30 years, and it was an absolute nightmare, but it was so cheap. But it was a nightmare. Like there's some issues with it, but I absolutely love it. And yeah, it's just everything. It's so beautiful. This is an Ikea Vanity. It's like the God Morgan or whatever. And then I got my kitsch coverings to make it more of like a walnut. Again, some things need to be done. We need some hardware and stuff. We need a mirror, but this is just everything. It's so good. I changed all the hardware to black as well. Just gives you, you know, kind of like just a more elevated look than the classic silver. These are from Wayfair, very cute. And then I have a wall niche here. Again, just for some products. I'll probably put like a little shelf there so it doesn't get ruined. For the shower, we matched the shower curb with the stone on the vanity. I did a horizontal tile that has some texture to it, so it's not
vertical.
Yeah, vertical, not horizontal. Vertical tile, so it has some texture to it. White grout, actually I think this is bone grout. And a hexagon tile on the ground. Gold everywhere, shower niche. I did no door, which I think I'm gonna get a lot of comments about, but I just felt like the door just ruined the aesthetic, and I'm aesthetic over practicality. Okay, and I did vinyl on the floors because I wanted to continue the floors from the bedroom into the bathroom. I want it to be a continuous flow, and vinyl is water resistant. So if the water splashes out here and gets on the floor, it's not a big deal like it would be if it was hardwood. And I mean, it looks really nice and it's very inexpensive. And then for closet, California Closets did this closet. I designed it with them, and then they came in and installed it, and they did a great job. So all the hardware is gold, all the insides are wood, and it has just like, I mean, if you saw it before, it was just like literally one rack, but it has these like cool features like these valet pins, so you can hang things, hang purses. It has little like jut outs like this, accents like this, and I mean, it wasn't cheap by any means, but very worth it for the amount of clothes that I have. And not the most expensive coat I got. Washer dryer in here, nothing changed. Same old. If you want to stay tuned to see what the apartment looks like when it's actually done, that will be coming soon, probably in the next couple months. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace and love, bye.